Hello everyone, this is Brian with Crypto Blocks, back with a XRP update. I was reading an article earlier I want to share with you guys, and then I'll go over this chart. But it says here, XRP price shows bullish signal. Will crypto whales trigger a March rally? It says here that crypto whales have now accumulated 300 million XRP since mid-February. 300 million. Trading volume crossed 600 million for the first time in 2 weeks. So this is looking great. The XRP takes bullish turn as investors hold tight. Ripple delivered a sideways price performance in February, excuse me. However, on-chain analysis of critical metrics shows that the third largest altcoin by market cap is now on the verge of a major upswing. You know, if we go back over to this chart, which I can see that happening, you know, as long as XRP holds this support, which is very crucial, you know, this support line right here, and it's holding it, you know, it's been bouncing off it this whole time while it's forming this wedge up here. You know, we got this big wedge forming, and if we can bust out of this wedge, and then I can see this rally that they're talking about. You know, we need some more volume to come in down here, and then we definitely need to make a higher high. You know, this one over here, or this one here. You know, it'd be nice to get a higher high up in here, and that way we can start seeing this rally go further. But my targets for this, you know, if this thing does bust out, and we'd be making this higher high, and we would be busting out of this level here. I could see it coming up to 51 cents. You know, if we do lose this support right here, I could see it coming down to 31 cents. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. You know, we don't want to make a lower low than this right here. This right here to keep this going. Right there. I'm sorry. Let me drag that over a little bit. That one right there, you know, we don't want to make a lower low in here. So as long as we hold this line, we're not going to make a lower low. But you can see the size of this wedge forming. You usually take the, you know, the size of the wedge to determine your breakout. So I could definitely see the 50-cent area coming up as if we can break out of this. So the rest of the markets, I was looking at the Dow Jones and the S&P. The Dow is holding that very important support line. So I was watching this morning, hoping it didn't break, and it didn't. You know, it held on. And the S&P, if we zoom in a little bit here, that's kind of starting to fall out of this support. So we need this thing to bounce back up here, and you can see it's bounced a little. So of course, my line could be off a hair or something, you know, but we need it to bounce back in here and continue up. So I'll check back in with you tomorrow. The only thing I just want to throw this in here about the S&P, because I love the Fibonacci's. I really depend on these things a lot. You can see this S&P came up and hit the 786 and got rejected hard. So, of course, you had this resistance up here too, but we need to see this thing bounce around and get out of here. So we'll see what happens the rest of the day. It's still early yet, so I'll check back in tomorrow. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.